Hey everyone, hope you are well. Today I want to show one of my client work. You know that today lead generation is most favorite marketing system for the business owner because they can set up their prospect list and they find out their perfect lead, perfect client for this from this list. So I want to show how we collect leads from LinkedIn. My One of my client work that this work is running, and I want to show how we do this work. This work my client want this location, all attorney, partner, lawyer from this law practice industry. So we set up this criteria in this LinkedIn sales navigator, and you show the result almost 8k, and we collect this list and find out all leads, all email uh, on by on, and already 8,000 sorry 1.8k result already find out. And you see that all results are verified because we check this all result by handmade hand packing system verification, and also we verified this mail inbounds debounce system. And so we show that what is the valid mail and invalid mail, and we also ensure the validation by using our manual system. We send them all mail and check the bounce, there have any bounce mail or not. So actually that's our process, but I want to show that you can get all information from here, as like the first name, last name, this person headline, current position, this person city, location, this person industry, email, phone number, personal link, personal LinkedIn link, everything. Actually my client wants this all person for cold mailing, because he have a marketing agency and he want to mail them all for their website boost and everything. So they try to find out all person from this location, and I help him to collect this all data. And say, you see, you know that I almost know that he already take the 50k leads from me, and he's very happy to work with me because he growth his business by my leads, and it's my pleasure. So what do you think, if you have a small business or big business, you can get any leads for a little amount. You can start for 100 leads, because you know that you can get 5 or 3 clients from 100 leads, and it's with a big deal for you, because many e-commerce product videographer, designer, many person take many leads for us, because first we set up a meeting for our client, and we try to find out who is the best ideal customer for his business, and what should the target audience we set up, and we find out very powerful lead for him, and every client is happy with our lead. So if you need any business lead, and if you want to a free trial or a 20 or 50 leads from us, no problem, you can ask me, and you can get as a 50 leads for your business. If you're happy with that, and if you think that it will be helpful for your business, then come with us, and we will always ready to help you. Thank you so much. If you need any help, you can contact with me. My contact details you will get from the video description. Thank you so much.